No twists, culinary or of any other kind. No turns, no surprises. Only as nature intended and people followed. Hi, my name is Andrea and this is my cookbook of Croatian sweets. I baked all 50 of them in my own kitchen. There's no spin on them, they're as traditional as they get. The only modern touch is my scientist's cap. Because I didn't only collect, bake and perfect them, I decoded their sweet secret. How come that grand sweets always taste the sweetest? And how does she do it? And this is my gift to you, the sweet secret of tradition.